geography mystery subscription box from the Landmark Kids. This box is such a fun way to incorporate geography into your homeschool and have your kids explore the world without leaving their home. And what's really cool is this is mystery themed. So that means your kids are going on a mystery while they're learning about Brazil. I think my kids had more fun like trying to solve the mystery without really thinking that they were doing school, but they were learning along the way. Pretty much everything you need is in the kit, and it's pretty much open and go. My 6th and 4th grader had a really fun time working together to try to solve it. The puzzles were not like super easy to figure out either. They had to use some thought, so I really enjoyed that there was a bit of challenge. So for a busy mom like me who maybe struggles in the geography department most of the time, this box was definitely a lifesaver. Have a couple of these in your closet. Hold them out when you need to keep the kids busy.
It's a subscription-based geography kit that comes every month. You study a different country each month, and it comes with a whole bunch of hands-on interactive lessons to help the kids learn all about the country of the month. So this month it was France. It came with this workbook where we did puzzles. We learned about France. It was super fun. We got some trading cards. We got to eat crepes. And we made this little souvenir from our stay in Paris. Just so you know, we did catch the bad guys. We got the sculpture back in the Louvre and the day was saved. So if you guys want to be international super spies too, get your kids a subscription.
I recently hit the jackpot with this amazing product. It is called the Landmark Kids. What I think my kids enjoyed most about it is probably the little crafts that come with it. It really brings the geography to life that they're learning. They're also learning about culture, and the kids are so pumped with it. You have little videos that you unlocked with these QR codes on your map. You should have seen my daughter. She was all like, "Mom, I actually like this one. It isn't boring. There was so much to do." And I mean, when does that ever happen with school stuff, right? Yeah, but seriously, if you're looking for something new to spice up your homeschool, or even if you're not homeschooling and you're just looking for like a fun little gift for a kid in your life, then you're gonna want to check out the Landmark Kids.